Hi guys, it's Georgia and Jack from Alteza Travel, and today we are at Lake Natron.
We are joined by Aldonio Lengai behind us. We're going to see plenty of flamingos. Come with us and see what it's all about.
Let's go!
Lake Natron is unlike anywhere else we've visited in Tanzania. Remote, striking and quietly powerful, it sits at the base of the Gregory Rift, watched over by the incredible Aldonio Lengai. We stayed at Lake Natron Camp, a peaceful retreat set right at the edge of the lake. From there, the views stretch endlessly across the water, with flocks of flamingos dotted along the horizon and the towering shape of Aldonio Lengai rising in the distance. East Africa's only active volcano, and one that is considered sacred by the Maasai tribe. During our time here, we took part in the Ngarasero waterfall hike, a short but memorable walk through narrow canyons cut into black volcanic rock. The canyon eventually leads to a waterfall that feeds into a natural pool you can swim in. It's a refreshing stop in an otherwise arid landscape, and one of the most scenic corners of the area. One of the most unexpected parts of the trip was visiting the ancient footprints preserved in dried volcanic ash. Known as the footprints of the ancestors, they stretch across a flat bed of stone near the lake's edge. Researchers believe they're around 6,000 years old. Dozens of impressions, men, women and children walking together. Of course, Lake Natron is best known for its flamingos. It's the most important breeding site for lesser flamingos in East Africa, and if you visit between October and December, you'll likely see thousands of them across the lake. The water's high alkalinity supports the growth of algae that these birds rely on. This is not the only wildlife you will see, however, as wildebeest and other animals often graze by the lake. Another meaningful part of the trip was meeting members of the local Maasai community. The Maasai have lived in this region for generations, and getting to learn directly from them about their customs, daily life and connections to this land promises to add another dimension to your stay at Lake Natron. Lake Natron's quiet beauty should not be overlooked when considering your Tanzanian adventure.
And that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for visiting Lake Natron with us.
If you like what you saw today, please follow along on Alteza Travel for everything you need to know about your trip to Tanzania.
See you next time.
Bye.